Just whistle while you work. Put on that grin and start right in to whistle loud and long. Just hum a merry tune. Do your best and take a rest and sing yourself a song. When there's too much to do, don't let it bother you. Forget your troubles, try to be just like a cheerful chickadee and whistle while you work. Hey, come on, get smart, tune up and start and whistle while you work. Ha. Wow! Hey, Mary, come on, you look a little tired. I want you to try this.
Okay. Golly, I'm chewing bubble gum.
Hey, Flo, come on, it's your turn. Don't, come on.
No, darling, I'm too busy digging this drummer, honey.
There's too much to do, don't let it bother you. Forget your troubles, try to be just like a cheerful chickadee. Hey, whistle while you wake. Come on, get smart, tune up and start to whistle while you. Hey, Flo, come on. Your turn. Hey, Mary.
Okay, come on, look, I'm gonna whistle this time.
Excuse me, my lips won't pucker.
But mine,
come on,
listen to
Florence,
me.
I'll teach you. Maybe you can teach me.
Oh, no, I don't
Well,
think so.
let's
You can't
whistle.
whistle.
'Cause
I can whistle.
I'm tired. I'm not tired, but I got a lot of problems. And, well,
What kind of problem you have?
you see,
Whistle, honey. Whistle while you work. Yeah.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all, with those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all. There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Scary ghost stories and
next to. Hello. We are the West Dighton Christian Church Choir. This is actually our first time performing here, so we're excited. This is just a snippet of what we will be doing Christmas Eve, 7 o'clock at on Horton Street, the White Church on Horton Street. We have a current candlelight service, so come on out and check us out.
Rejoice, Christ is born. We are here to celebrate his story, which began so long ago. It all started long before Bethlehem, with God loving us so much that he couldn't rest until he made a way to redemption. So God's only Son accepted the mission to come to earth and restore the people he had created. You see, before the foundation of the earth, the Lamb was slain, and the first haunting notes of that melody, his melody, came to life. 2,000 years ago, his song was finally given a voice. And with that first cry from Bethlehem's manger, the singer became the song. Creation's creator became the created one. And today, you and I can sing in celebration because of the song that he had brought on that first midnight clear. Come on.
No.
Come on, chase with me tomorrow.
Once a year is enough.
You've got plenty of tape. Come on.
Uh-oh. sure it's working. Okay, folks, from now on, focus on the edges. Many different pictures of the angle of the engine. It's that area, that's it right there. Okay. Let's take pictures. Santa's on the back. Keep taking pictures.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. Simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Good girl, Patches.
Long time ago in Bethlehem, So the Holy Bible say, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new King born today. And man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound and angels sing. Listen what they say, that man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flock by night, them see a bright new shining star. Them hear a choir sing, the music seemed to come from afar. Now Joseph and his wife Mary come to Bethlehem that night. Them find no place to born she child, not a single room was in sight. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new King born today. And man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound and angels sing. Listen what they say, that man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. By and by they find a little nook in a stable all forlorn, and in a manger cold and dark Mary's little boy was born. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible say, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new King born today. And man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound and angels sing. Listen what they say, that man will live forevermore because of Christmas.